Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. This is my dog Charlie. Today we are going to walk 5 minutes in the comfort of your own living space. Don't need any fancy equipment. Grab a pair of sneakers and something to hydrate with. I'm going to meet you back here. We're going to start in our gentle walk. Let's go. All right, so starting here at home base, we start with our gentle walk. I am going to set my watch so we can keep time here. And today we are just going to walk 5 minutes in this lovely day. It's gorgeous outside. It's turning fall here in my beautiful hometown in West Virginia. So we love the fall. It's my favorite time of year. And yeah, so with this home walking, we have 4 basic moves. This is the first one right here. Walk in place. I'm going to show you the next 3 here in a moment. So settle in. We won't be here very long. This is a great little workout for if you're pinched for time. Also great to help reduce stress. Anytime we can move the body, get out of our head and into our body, that's a great way to help us relax and manage our stress in a healthy way. So find a pace that works for you. By now you should hear the music, maybe catch a little beat here. Go at your own pace, of course. Nice. I'll show you the next move. It's going to be a knee lift. So simple here, just lift a knee, lift a knee. Belly naturally starts to tuck in. Great for core. And breathe. Your pace, not mine, of course. And get the knees as high as you can if that feels okay. Maybe opposite hand tops opposite knee. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Return back to your walk. We always come back to home base right here. Moving along. You got this, my friend. Together we've got this. It's been a great pleasure of mine to create these walking videos and share them with the world. I hear great feedback from folks all over the place, and it's so cool to connect with you here online. So thank you for taking a healthy walk with me today and taking this time to manage your health. It's so key, so important, and I'm really honored to be a part of your journey. If you don't know this, I am a registered nurse and a yoga teacher, and I create videos here online to help you manage your stress and feel your best at all seasons of life. Find your breath, check in. Kind of went hard here this morning. All right, we're 2 minutes in. Give me a kick and a kick. Maybe reach the arms. Nice job. Get your legs as high as you want. Your legs might be a little bit lower than mine. That's all good. Maybe they're higher than mine. Just find your range of motion. Working to develop that nice mobility, healthy, strong joints. Lubricating our joints with that synovial joint fluid. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to home base. Walk it out. Find your breath. Check in. How's it going for you today? Nice. Next move. It's going to be a side step, out and back. I'm on this hill here. Little challenge. That's good though. Challenging our balance. Step out and out. Nice. Go for it. Today you got this. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Back to home base right here, right now. Make it happen. Nice job. We're at 3 minutes in, 3.5 minutes in. You gotta get that half in there. Let's get the arms up. Reach up, down, out, and back. Keep it going. Full body workout here. So arms working, core is working, lower body. Also getting that little hormone endorphin boost. I call them happy hormones. Starting to flood your body here. Just perk you right up. Here we are for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Walk it out. Let it go. Shake it out. Yeah, I love to just take these short walks, especially if I can be outside in nature. And I hope you take that opportunity when you have it to get outside, reconnect with Mother Earth, and just really, you know, to me, it's like a big hug from Mother Nature, especially on days like this. It is just so beautiful outside. The sky is blue, the sun is shining. It's nice and warm weather for fall. So really, truly blessed to, you know, get to share this time in nature and share it with you as well. Nice job. Let's get our kicks going again. Challenge yourself, maybe get the legs a little higher, reach out and out. Challenging your balance, but of course, if this is a bit too much, you can have a chair or a wall close by. Standing on one leg a little bit longer here to get that stability in the ankles. It builds muscle, builds strength in the lower body. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, return to your walk right here. Nice job, and actually we're coming right up on 5 minutes. Whew. I'll count us down. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We did it, nice job. Round of applause, you did it, high fives. Slow it down. See, it doesn't take a lot. I hope you feel better here. Go ahead and start to slow the feet down. Now that was a nice short walk. Find your breath. If you want a longer walk, you know I got your back. I have several other videos here online. 10 minutes, half hour, 20 minutes, see what works for you. But if you're ready to slow it down, go ahead and find some stable footing. Let's inhale, sweep your arms high to the sky. Exhale, send the hands down. We got 2 more of those. Inhale, sweep the arms. Maybe gaze looks up. Exhale, release. And last time, inhale. And exhale. Nice job, shake that out. Take one arm across the body, maybe use opposite hand to pull it in. Take a look over opposite shoulder. A little stretch for your shoulder, back body. Drop it down, shake it out. Other side, little stretch. Take a look over opposite shoulder, breathe. Nice job. And that was your 5-minute walk for today. Charlie stayed with us the whole time. There he is. Yeah, if you would like to connect further online, please go to my website. It's emilydaugherty.com, and over there you can grab your ultimate guide to heart healthy living and stress management. It's a cool little tool that I just created, and I know you're gonna love it. And when you sign up for that, you'll automatically be placed on my weekly wellness newsletter, so we can connect a little deeper in that way. Please like, share, subscribe, you know, all the stuff, and I'll check in with you in a couple days. Thanks so much for being here and allowing me to be a part of your wellness journey. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.